Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
It's like the dream team. We're back together.
I know. At one point, Ed, we thought your daughter was going to be sitting in permanently, but
She did a good job.
She
my
did?
Kids, my kids have expressed an interest in coming to now.
Perfect.
All right, next time Ed is out. All right, our question tonight involves an employment situation for Sue in Kingston. Sue says, I was wondering what my rights are if my employer just decides to fire me for no apparent reason. I've worked there for 3 years and I got fired last week. Does Sue have any options here?
Well, Sue, I mean, we probably need a little bit more information to answer your question appropriately. Generally speaking, the law in Pennsylvania is that it's an at-will employment state. So you could be fired really for any reason. However, if you fall into a protected class, either by way of age, sex, race, some type of religious affiliation, that you may be in a protected class. So we probably need a little bit more information to find out if you do fall into a protected class, and if you do, then no, they can't fire you for just any reason. But probably need a little bit more information, and there's a process that you have to go through in order to file a claim as well.
Right, and then the only thing is, with regard to being fired, you should be eligible for unemployment benefits, which you've paid into, your employer pays into. So your employer may or may not fight that, but I always advise people. Just recently, I sent somebody, if you are fired and you have to go to an employment hearing, do not go yourself. If they contest it, you show up. It's like an adversarial process. There's a judge. There's usually the employer, head of HR, and then you. And if you don't have a lawyer, it can get a little contentious. So
And a record. They make a record.
And they do make a record. So yeah, get a lawyer on those. And the guys are fairly reasonable when they go over and help you out.
All right, for those that need some legal advice, how can they reach you guys?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Hotline. Get the hotline. Greg's going to be working the hotline again. He's back. He's ready.
Summer. I do a lot of summer hotline.
A lot of summer hotline parties.
He's amped up for the hotline.
He is amped
Results
up.
matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Gentlemen, we'll see you next time.
got it.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always there for you.